Right, so right up here is the hall. See how huge this hall is. So this is actually 3 bedroom with a huge hall, kitchen right up there, visitors washroom. And then one good thing about this townhouse is that it has a boys quarters. That is the BQ we say. It says the boys quarters. So right up here is a huge hall. Very, 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 very huge. Very huge, very spacious. You can see is the visitors' toilet. Let me say, yeah, there's a visitors' toilet right at the entrance, at the left corner entrance of the main hall. Yes, right here. Let's head over here. It's like a storage where you can keep some of your stuff when your things fill up the whole place. You can keep some of your stuff right at the storage. It's right under the stairs to the bedrooms, right up. So the bedrooms are actually on the top. 3 bedrooms all are on the top. But let me show you the kitchen first before we go to the top. Yes, so over here is the kitchen. Very huge kitchen, spacious, furnished, beautiful kitchen. That any waiter can think of. Yeah, very spacious, very beautiful fitted kitchen. Which has a back door right here, which leads you to the back. So this is the kitchen. You can see right here. Oh, the kitchen has an AC. It has air conditioning, fitted, everything just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. At Greenpark Properties, right here at Adjiringanor Garden, at the side, both at the back of your townhouse, and also right at the side. There is already grass grown right here. You can see. Yeah, you can make your little gardens right here. Very, very spacious, beautiful place. So we're heading up to the top where we have all 3 bedrooms right at the top. Let's see if these 3 bedrooms are en suite. I don't know yet until we see. Let me show you. So this is one bedroom. Let me come back real quick. Here we have the master bedroom. Oh, indeed, it's a master bedroom. So the master bedroom comes with fitted wardrobes. So wardrobes you can see right here, beautiful fitted wardrobes. Is the master bedroom, washroom, toilet and bath. So the master bedroom comes with fitted wardrobes. So wardrobes you can see right here, beautiful fitted wardrobes. Is the master bedroom, washroom, toilet and bath. Right here. Right. So master bedroom, toilet and bath. Right here. Right ahead, we have 2 other bedrooms. Here, it's like a little hall. Yeah, so this is the family area. We have a family area here where on my left is another bedroom. And then of course, on my right is also another bedroom. So you can see AC is fitted right at the family area. Very little spacious. Yeah, that's quite okay. It's quite big. Right, so bedroom 2. So it's all fitted wardrobe, air conditioner, and of course, toilet and bath. So here is the toilet and bath for bedroom 2. have the last bedroom. It's the bedroom 3. All adults. Bathroom as well. It's a toilet and bath right here. Beautifully, very spacious, very spacious and beautiful. Right here at the side, you have all this space which can take about 2 or 3 cars, and then also at the back of the townhouse is a boys' quarters. Right up here is the boys' quarters. So the 3 bedrooms comes with 1 room boys' quarters right here. That's so good about this whole building at the Greenpark properties. Right, returning. So this is how Greenpark properties looks like. These are the townhouses for sale right here in Adjiringanor. Not only in Adjiringanor they have properties. They have properties also in Achimota, and then of course at East Legon area. Right. So whenever you're in Ghana and you're looking for a townhouse actually to live in, is right here in Adjiringanor. Right, thank you for watching this video. It's your man Coffee, like always. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then also hit that bell for more videos. So right here is the swimming pool area. Here you can always refresh yourself, dive into this water, swim as much as you can right here inside Adjiringanor Greenpark properties with your man Coffee, like always. They have a gym here also, which I'll show you soon. Let me take you to the gym as well. Right, so this is the swimming pool area where you can always refresh yourself, dive into this water, swim as much as you can right here at Greenpark properties. And then not only the swimming pool, they have a gym up somewhere. Let me take you to the gym area as well. I'm getting into the elevator. The gym is at the top of the apartments. So let me hit the elevator and take you to the gym. Freshen up here. It's a rooftop where you find the gym right here at Greenpark properties. It's the gym area is at the rooftop. Very refreshing. Very airy, very fresh air. Whoa, this is great. Right, we're heading up to the gym where you can muscle up, where you can always come have your exercise, do your trainings right here at Greenpark property. Not only the building, but these are some of the amenities that comes with these townhouses. Once you live here, you have the opportunity to muscle up, to gym, to train, to exercise. And then of course, after exercising, you just refresh yourself, dive into that swimming pool, and then feel at home. It's always Akwaba on the Returnees Sankofa channel. My name always Kofi. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and then also hit that bell for more videos. And that's it.